Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon to my lecturer and my fellow friends. I am Adam Delvin Harris. My student ID is 07DEE21F1012. We'll be presenting to you about my mini project regarding the subject of programming fundamentals. As the instruction given, we have to build programs written in C language to allow customer to calculate their energy usage and estimate their monthly bills. As you can see here, the first one is the expected output. We begin with the main function. Customer need to choose their preferred task. Program will read the input from the customer. This section will be used switch selection. I will show you my coding here. So as you can see here, this is my coding. For the first section, the first expected output will be this area of the coding. So if I try to run, okay, as you can see there is the main menu, and it displays three things, which is display electricity usage for this month, calculate bill estimation for this month, and exit program. And second of all, the second expected output is that, as you can see there, if the customer chooses one, the program will call calculate usage function. There, the program will read input from customer for the previous reading and current reading. Then, program calculates the amount of energy consumption in kilowatt hours. If I could show you here, I choose one, enter, and that is the electricity usage. I will give you the example of my previous reading. I would put, let's say, 2564, and my current reading is 2645. I have consumed 90 kilowatts hours of electricity. Moving on, after that, customer will back to main function again to the display menu, as you can see there, here. Next, the third expected output will be if customer choose 2, the program will call calculate bill function. There, the program will read input from the customer for the previous reading and current reading. Then, program calculates the amount of energy consumption in kilowatt hours. As you can see here, if I choose the number 2, bill, it will show bill estimation. So previous reading, it was 2564. Current reading is 2605, and it will show the minimum charge 5 for the first usage block, and yeah, the electricity bill that I have to pay is 20 ringgit 75 cents. What if I show you a much bigger amount? Let me show you again. So previous reading, 20860. Current reading is 28060. There we go. So it shows that the charge for the first usage block until the 6th usage block. So the total amount after we calculate this, the total electricity bill that I have to pay is 302 ringgit. And the last expected output, if customer choose 3, the program will display this program end. Thank you. And the program will end. As you can see here, if I choose 3, enter, yeah, program has ended. Thank you. Press any key to continue. And from this coding, what I can explain to you is that I am using the switch case selection. So from using this, I can explain to you for case 1, case 1 is for the, to know how many amount of electricity you have used, as we can see here. Okay, so the first case, which it will display the electricity usage for case 1. For case 2, sorry, let me quit this. For case 2, it will show you the calculate bill estimation for this month. As you can see here. And for case 3, it will exit the program. For case 2, I use else, if else here. And to explain to you for a bit, why we use if else function is because we in electricity we have tariff rates, so tariff rates are used to determine how much of electricity that we have to pay. So by using else and if function, let's say if the amount of electricity is around this amount, which means we only have to pay for this amount. But if the amount is exceeded from this from this specific amount, else if where it comes to usage, where we will put the another amount, the bigger amount, so that the program will read and show the amount that have to be paid. And this will continue according to the electricity tariff. As from here, I'm sorry. Yeah, here. From the first block until the 6 blocks and onwards. So here we have until more than 1,000. Yep, which is on the 6th block. So yeah, that is my explanation. Thank you for listening.